why I bought the iPad Gen 10 and why you should too. And if you stick around to the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be sharing you with my #1 favorite accessory for this device, which solves the #1 most complained about problem on the internet. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So this is going to be a different sort of video, ladies and gentlemen. Also, if you hope you like that cool changing light in the background. But anyway, this is going to be a unique sort of video where I discuss why I actually went out and got this iPad. And long story short, I didn't actually buy this iPad. It was a Christmas gift, but I still picked it out and I still chose this one for a specific reason. And ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be talking about the concept of technology being quote unquote enough. And I think that's something that needs to resonate with more people because I have been seeing so many tech reviewers talk about specs and performance, and this is better than this one, and this one's better than this one, and this one runs an A14 Bionic chip, and it's not as good as the A15, it's not as good as the M1. And at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, ladies and gentlemen, why do you buy technology? Why are you buying a tablet? I mean, that's the whole reason you buy something. It has to have a use case, right? You don't buy this to just throw it away. And I think that's actually what a lot of people do. And I've realized that in my life with my tech purchases sometimes. I'll buy something because I think it's cool, how it's advertised, how it's marketed. Apple does a great job of this. Samsung does a great job of this. Google does an okay job. And you have to ask yourself, am I buying this because it's practical or am I buying it because I was sold on it from an advertisement, right? That's a big question. And so with this tablet, it does everything really well. It has a decent screen, Touch ID, decent processor that's more powerful than some Intel chips, and basically more powerful than the latest Android Snapdragon chips. But yet you see all these tech reviewers talk about, here, let's hit on the main ones. The processor is outdated, right? A14 Bionic chip. It's not that good. What do you use this thing for? What are you using this tablet for? Do you need the power of the M2 120 Hertz display OLED screen that can render 8K 10 8K videos at the same time? Really think about this. Really think about this. Who actually needs that other than editors for Pixar or Disney or something like that? You have to really ask yourself these questions. Because from my perspective, from someone who takes notes on a tablet, because I have to take exams, study on this thing all the time, what do I need this for? I need this for taking notes, watching media and consuming it, checking finances, I guess. And can that do this? It can do all of them, and it can do it really well. If you get a Fubinar matte screen protector that works well with the stylus. And ladies and gentlemen, that stylus, I don't have it on me, it's a Logitech Crayon 2. One of the best styli, if that's a word, that you can get for this tablet. The reason being, it connects via USB, or charges you via USB Type-C, connects automatically, there's no Bluetooth involved, and you don't need some weird dongle to charge it because Apple decided to get rid of the lightning port but not update the Apple Pencil Gen 1. Whatever, it's a small gripe. But this does everything well. It has nice cameras on it. Do I care? Not really. I don't film on this thing. This would be a good monitor, however, if you were to use this as a secondary display for I don't know, your camera. It's be a good monitor for a camera. But it does everything I need. Not a laminated display. You can't tell. It's sharp, USB-C, Touch ID. Really good cameras. I'm going to say actually above average cameras for a tablet. Much better than my Tab S7. And it runs iPad OS. It connects to everything. And yeah, it does everything I need it to do. So why do tech reviewers trash on this thing? Because it's not enough. It's not enough, right? It costs money, but it's not enough. It costs less money than other tablets, but it's not enough. And I just think that's stupid. I really think that's stupid. It's gotten to the point where people just expect perfection out of technology and don't actually realize what they're actually using the device for. And I think that's dumb. I think if you're buying something, you should really know the practical reasons why you're buying it and how it's going to benefit you, instead of just buying stuff and then complaining about how it doesn't have X, Y, and Z, which you're never going to use in the first place. So keep that in mind, tech reviewers. I don't know. I thought I'd bring some authenticity to this review. I don't want to be a standard tech reviewer who just sits here and just talks about specs all day. I think that's boring. I think that's really boring now that I think about it. And this thing is so cool in the background. You see this? Is this changing light? This thing costs $15 or something on Amazon. Go pick yourself up one of these lights. Adds to the ambiance, ladies and gentlemen. But anyway, should you get the iPad Gen 10? If you're a student, yes. If you like iOS, yes. If you want decent power for an affordable price, yes. If you can live with a laminated display that has reflections, but oh wait, it has reflections. See that? Actually, when it has reflections and you install a matte screen protector, you get a white glow as opposed to seeing the reflection. Just want to throw that out there. But yeah, get a matte screen protector to remove those reflections, ladies and gentlemen. It works. It works. But yeah, if you're new to this channel and if you like honest discussions about technology, especially iPads, not really just iPads, I talk about all things tech, but if you want like honest videos, hit that subscribe button and like this video and share it with your best friend. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you guys on the next video. I have no idea what it's going to be, but I'll see you then. Peace out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.